Hi guys, this is Leonard and welcome to LMS Vlog. And for today's episode, tayo ay magluluto ng soy ginger pampano. At bago tayo magsimula, ay shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga bagong subscribers, Benito Umaya, Ria Galt Channel, Leah Vlogs Pangasinan at Susana TV. For the ingredients, bawang, slices of ginger, leeks, garlic chives and spring onions, julienne ginger, julienne leeks, and garlic chives, Chinese soy sauce, salt, sugar, regular oil, sesame oil, and vinegar, and pampano. Tara't simulan na nating magluto. For this particular recipe, we will be needing 2 pieces of your pampano. So tinanggal na natin yung kanyang laman loob at ang kanyang hasang at naglagay tayo ng 2 slits doon sa pinaka makakapal na parte ng laman ng pampano. And currently ay inaasinan na natin ang pampano, even yung mga slits nito para magkaroon ng flavor at lasa yung ating isda. Although this type of fish is already very flavorful. Kaya naman very perfect ito for this kind of recipe, steamed, sinigang, and the like. So currently, we are now stuffing yung belly ng ating pampano. So nilalagyan na natin siya ng slices of ginger, ng bawang, ng onion leeks, and yung ating garlic chives. Meanwhile, iset aside muna natin yung ating pampano at gawin natin yung ating poaching liquid. So meron tayong sugar sa ating mixing bowl. Naglagay tayo ng Chinese soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of cane vinegar. So haluin lang natin ito and we will pour this over sa ating pampano. This will serve as our quick marinade and at the same time our poaching liquid as we steam our pampano doon sa ating steamer. So baliktarin lang natin yung ating pampano para both sides ay malagyan ng ating poaching liquid, and at the same time we're also putting in the seasoning doon sa cavity ng ating pampano, and this is now ready for steaming. After almost 12 minutes of steaming, i-check na natin kung luto na ang ating pampano. So using a toothpick, kapag itinusok natin and it goes through the flesh, ibig sabihin luto na to.
2,000 years later.
In this case, medyo lumalaban pa siya. So we're extending the cooking time to at least 3 to 5 more minutes. And okay na siya. Ayan, luto na. Since we're good with our pampano, properly steamed na siya, luto na siya, let's set it aside and gagawin naman natin yung ating sauce. So we're heating up our regular oil at kapag mainit na ito, dadagdagan natin siya ng sesame oil because we can't just directly add our sesame oil sa ating regular oil kasi madaling masunog yung sesame oil. And once it's properly heated, assemble na natin yung ating pampano. So we're topping our steamed pampano with the julienne ginger, julienne leeks, and of course yung ating garlic chives. And with this, mainit na ang ating mantika. We're now adding our sesame oil and ibubuhos na natin ito directly sa ating steamed pampano. So as we pour in this hot oil, nag-infuse yung flavors ng ating mga aromatics, yung ating mga pampalasa, yung ating mga toppings doon sa flesh ng ating pampano. And this is very aromatic, guys. Believe me, ang bango-bango nito habang binubuhos. And I'm so very much excited to savor this for our lunch. And tikman na natin. The best ito. Believe me, you have to try this. And we're topping extra garlic chives and spring onions. And we're good! Kain na tayo! Sarap na to. Napakasimple ng pagkakaluto. Pero believe me, ang sarap-sarap.